Am I the only one that didn't know Java Web Frameworks could be this awesome? Let's explore the best picks for 2024. First up, we have the you get a fast and easy setup for production-ready apps. And flexibility and integration at its finest. Next, there's a go-to for rich user interfaces in Java EE projects. Don't count out. It's classic, reliable, and with Struts 2, even more powerful. For those who love rapid development, is built on Groovy and Spring, making conventions over configurations a breeze. Is your friend for modern, rich UIs with seamless Java backend integration. Check out for a reactive, developer-friendly experience in both Java and Scala. Finally, isn't a framework but a generator, kickstarting projects with Spring Boot and modern JS frameworks like Angular or React. Ultimately, your choice depends on your project's needs, your team's expertise, and long-term goals. Happy coding!